the name of the startup is Serenity-Financial. Yes, please proceed to the stage. The stage is yours. Be quick, straight to the point, and make everyone excited. Thank you.
Hello guys, this is the last presentation and I hope you will have some emotions to find it out and evaluate. So my name is Dennis and I'm a CEO of first blockchain marketplace for financial markets for the companies and traders who are trades on CFD, futures, golds, oils, currencies, anyway. So our industry, financial industry, has lots of problems from the year to year, lots of companies. So according to the last highlights, it's about 6,000 forex companies overseas are operating in the world by offering their services. But the industry is still unattended. There is no rules, there is no standards, and government regulatory can't protect the traders and their money as well. So today, we have a cutting-edge innovation technology that will be provided by Serenity for traders and for financial companies. So in this case, we offer quite simple but unique and essential offer. While using smart contracts and blockchain, we will protect the money of traders and we will make transparency in their trade executions. Their orders will be maximum transparently. I can give a real case that happened in 2013. One European company, financial company with the subsidiaries overseas, China, Middle East, Russia, Europe. What was happened? They was blamed in scam equal to the $127 million. And in this case, however, they was regulated by European SISEC regulator. It's one of the biggest regulatory company that can control, audit and protect the traders from the activities, illegal activities of companies. And even in this case, traders wasn't protected. So we need innovations, we need change in the industry. That's why Serenity comes with the idea to create special marketplace that will allow traders to open accounts in the forex companies who will be able to integrate it with Serenity, and they will get facility to save their money and make their trades maximally transparently. You can ask why it's so interesting for crypto audience, because okay, you're working with finance industry, it's okay, but making transparency and safety, but how about crypto guys? How about funds, communities? In this case, we provide the essential opportunity to trade with your crypto money, with your crypto funds in real legal markets, with real providers of liquidity and trading conditions. For example, via Serenity you can use your cryptocurrency and invest in oil, gas, gold, foreign exchange rates, and so on and so on. So it's a huge opportunity to use flow and increase your income but anyway, keeping the amount of money in crypto in deposits. Some words about our current partners. So, of course, we already on the stage of creation our MVP and realization, our projects and integrating forex companies, financial companies who trade with different commodities. As you can see, the list is not so big, but anyway, it's currently at the stage of pre-ICO and we will finish it today. By the way, today is the last day of pre-ICO. I will talk about it later. So, about team, as you can see, all people are from industry and they are big professionals in the industry of finance, analysts, marketing, sales, research, investigating overseas. And you can see the people are from different continents and all of them are our crew. They are working with us for many years and we started in 2006 as a finance company and then we grow to the IT company, and now it's a group of companies that combines IT solutions and brokerage solutions as well. And now with the issue of cryptocurrency trends, that's why we create Serenity, that will combine trading and IT solutions. That's why our board of advisors is growing as well. We have people from crypto audience community, some celebrities, guys from IT solutions, people from legal industry as well, who help us to create maximum transparent conditions and terms in our project. So As I told you before, the financial market is very big and huge. As you can see, daily turnover is more than $5 billion. It's a real turnover with a real market. So lots of people, like 4 million people, still keep problem. They could be suffering from activity of forex companies. In this case, we create the real step-by-step system. This is the way how we will create our project. So as you can see on this picture, trader make investments in the Serenity. He opens account and he chooses his company who are our partner, the financial company, brokerage anyway. Then we sign his money, his deposit to the smart contract. In this step, this is a very essential step when forex company have no any opportunity or power to take your money and be in a scam and disappear, for example, close the company. Anyway, no third party can take this money or disappear. Even Serenity will have no such opportunity as well. So the next steps, client can trade, invest, anyway, make any actions, orders, trading, anyway. But in this point, we sign all transactions, market and non-market, to the blockchain. And this is another advantage of our project that have no any alliance right now. So each transactions will be signed in blockchain, and if trader are not satisfied with his result of his trading, he will be able to ask us as an arbitration platform and to make claim towards his company. In this case, our MVP that we already doing right now, it's named Verify My Trade, the real software solution that will automatically check the quotes from hundreds of companies and check the real price that was on market, on financial market at the moment, according to the real instrument of trading. In case if broker company really made some legal actions, make fake quotes, make fake order, or just make another legal actions towards clients' transactions, our platform will automatically notify trader and Serenity as well. In this case, we start disputes. Our disputes will be available in two cases, one for paid disputes and another one is unpaid disputes. For free disputes will be available for situation when a company has a category, because we will divide two categories of brokers who will work with us, and I will tell about this later. So, as I told you before, the essential pain will be covered by Serenity for traders, crypto traders, classical traders, it doesn't matter, because they will be protected by blockchain and will be saved by smart contracts. And you can say, okay, but what is the benefit for forex companies? They took lots of money, scamming, and living very well. But in this case, we understand that among 6,000 companies, only 10% are regulated. So it means that 90% are not regulated. It means that it's quite small companies that have no opportunity to get big license, to get big marketing budgets in order to cover the market, penetrate different countries and start their activity. In this case, it's a good chance to join us and get cutting-edge technology today. And as a result, they will get crypto audience as well, because as I told before, crypto community will be available to trade, to use our platform as well, but in their real currency, in their cryptocurrency, not in fiat currency, for example, comparing with current classical traders. So this is the big chance for them to come to the market and start operation, to start development as well. And another point that after we create our core product, we will provide them with the hedge funds that will be used for companies that could not, that can't execute the big amount of traders volume. So it means that we will give them a hedge, and this hedge fund will protect forex company from the big risks from big traders as well, and from cheaters as well, because lots of traders know some weak points of companies and stealing their money as well. How our token works? So token is a utility token. It's like a digital asset that will be used by traders in order, by investors in order to invest in this token. And then once project will start, it will be executed on the exchange with nominal price equal to the 0.1 Ethereum. But currently, it costs on the pre-ICO, on the pre-sale stage, on the 50% less. So it's 0.05 Ethereum. So when will be the situation that traders are starting working with our company, they will be forced to use our tokens in order to pay the fee for the Serenity. The fee could be the following: for transactions, for deposit and withdrawal, and for manual disputes that the disputes that will be created during the situation when the trader is not satisfied with his money results, with his results of his trading. So another essential question: how Serenity will earn money? And in this case, due to the fact that there are lots of companies, forex companies that are operating on market, we understand that we will be able to take quite big amount of commission from them for subscription, for arbitration, and for commission of transactions of traders, not for the brokerage. In this case, we are planning to gain about $1 million per month, according to the whole calculation of active traders, active companies, and classical amount of commission that could be done from deposit and withdrawal. So that's how it works. So about our stage, we can say, as I told you before, that our pre-ICO finishing today. It is the last day when investors can get tokens with half price, and then tokens will be executed on exchange with nominal price. And about essential steps that we are taking out of cap is 2 million. This is the money that we need to cover costs for marketing, road shows, sales, and performance of our initial software development. Another step is 5 million that we create a big KYC system. We need one KYC system in order to allow traders to move from broker to broker among the Serenity system that will be integrated. And last step is 14 million. It's our point when we start using extra fund that will come to the hedge fund. As I told you before, we will help small companies or no-name companies that can't operate on market with big volume to help them protect themselves from big traders. We will give money, and that money will be executed with the prime broker, like banks or institutional brokers as well. So, in order to summarize the whole benefits, I want to say that Serenity is like a combination of cutting-edge technologies and benefits for three audiences. It's a B2B industry, forex companies, it's a real classic traders who will get protection that they have never had before, and crypto audience that will be able to use their crypto actives and trade with real sectors of economy and financial markets. Thank you guys. I think we can
Thank you.
this.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
I have Serenity. I have one question and I didn't get it. You said you offer 50% discount, right? How much are you raising?
Thanks, mate. Yeah, at the
totally,
moment for today,
how much are you raising totally?
For today, you mean? For today, we raised about 400.
Not how much have you raised, but how much are you raising totally during all of the rounds? In total, during your pre-ICO plus ICO.
Currently, we start our ICO at the beginning of the month. At the moment, for today, we had 400K.
I mean, you mean you have already received 400K?
We raised the money equal in the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and fiat, about 400K.
Yeah, thanks. The question is a little bit different. I mean, what's the cap?
You mean final cap? It's 60 million.
60 million.
Yeah, it's a cap that includes hedge fund, as I told you before. This will be money that nobody will take until the time when some of the B2B companies, forex companies need to use hedge fund. It's like a bank. Because when you come to bank, you, for example, can ask for some loan, some credit. The same situation for companies of our industry that after 14 million, we will give this money as an opportunity to hedge their risks between big traders. For example, you can come to the market with $10 million of deposit, and not all companies, forex companies, can execute such big amount of deposits, such big amount of orders. That's the idea. So we make a combination of benefits for everybody who are the players of this industry.
Yeah, got it. And with the 50% bonus, how much tokens do you offer?
The nominal price, as I told you before, is 0.1 of Ethereum, and today We offering it for 0.05, so it's half of 1.05.
Yeah. And how many tokens?
How many we token sell? So
Yeah. So
I need to check my website because the counting is changing every minute,
Okay,
so
okay.
we can check it.
yeah, because it's important because
But on pre-ICO, yeah, sorry for the disturbing. For pre-ICO, we hold 135k tokens, so we need to check how much is left at the moment. But
Yeah.
I hope today it will be less amount.
Yeah, because for people it's very important because if you raise too much with such big bonus, it's not really long term, right?
Anyway, let's see the result because currently we are starting our closed round with cooperation in our personal presence with different countries, with big funds, big enterprises, B2B institutional.
You have big backers.
Yeah, exactly. Today, right now, we have a flight to Shanghai, then we have a flight to Abu Dhabi, then Dubai, then St. Petersburg. Currently, our team operating in UK. Other people are in Gibraltar and I don't remember how many countries was it before. So we are living in flight because the idea is very important. We guys who are from industry, we have a mission to protect this industry because it was enough from other companies to cheat people, be scammers. It's a very long story. It was for many years. That's now cutting edge technology need to protect our industry in all levels. That's the idea. That's how we do.
That's what I wanted to hear right from the very beginning. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys. Hope to see you in Serenity.